Hey guys, previously I have showed you how you can work on directories, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you some practices to remember the previous tutorials. And the first one is display your current directory. Just pwd. That is my working directory is desktop home directory, and change to etc. Change to etc. Now I am in the etc in the root directory. I change it, and using key process, using only 3 key process. Now change to your home directory using only 3 key process. How you can? cd like this. I mean, 3 key process. 3 key process, this one and enter. That is the home directory. From root directory, I change it to the, and go to the parent directory of the current directory. Sorry, change it to the boot grep directory using only 11 key process. 11 key process means cd, you can count the number of characters. Root, boot, then G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finally, gr. Then press tab key to complete the path. Now I am in the roots boot grep directory, in the root directory. Okay, go to the root directory, back to the root directory, cd. If you want to change it to 2-step, now I have a subdirectories, and this one just change to, or 1 step to the parent directory. If you want to change it to the 2 steps, I need to press the cd, then I can use this one. This is 2-step, and I can change like root directory. Now the parent directory. Okay, go to the list the contents of the root directory. All right, using ls, or the root directories are this. I list a long listing of the root directory. Long listing means -l, like this. Okay, then stay UR and list the contents of etc. ls -a, that is all the contents. Sorry, ls etc, the contents of etc. You can just directory name ls, the directory name that you want to list the contents of that directory, this way, and stay where you are and list the contents of home directory. Still I am in the root directory and I wanted to list the contents of the home directory. I can use like this. Yeah, the desktop, this is my own directory, but I am not in the home directory. I can access other users directory when I am in my own directory. That is the way. And the other is list all the files, including hidden files, in your home directory, ls minus a hidden file in my home directory. I am still in the root directory, but I can list all files in my own home directory, including hidden files like dot dot, like dot dot. All right. Okay. The other question is list the files in boot. ls boot. I am in the root directory, and I can just see the files or the contents in the boot. Create a directory testdir in your home directory. I can now go to the home directory. Okay. And I can create mkdir testdir in your home directory. Sorry, mkdir testdir. Now I can check that testdir is created or not. Yes, this is created. Change it to etc. Now I can change it to etc in the root directory and stay here and create the directory newdir in your home directory. How you can create? I am in the root directory etc, but I wanna create a directory in my home directory. mkdir home, then new dir. Sorry, this is like this forward slash. Now I can list my home directory and I can see the newly created that is new dir in my home directory, not etc. You cannot create file in the root directories, by the way. You have no permission because you are normal user, only administered by super user, the root user. And create in one command the directories like this, subdirectories. Okay. I am still in the root etc in the root directory, and I want to create a subdirectories in my home directory. In this case, mkdir home, then forward slash dir1, dir2, dir3. Oh, I just made error. mkdir like this. Cannot create directory in the home. No such file. Okay, I forget. That is -p. When you create a subdirectory, you need an option p. Yeah, I can check my home directory. I can simply graphically check that. Where is the newly created directory? Okay, home is this one, not desktop. Okay, dir1. Okay, the subdirectory. That's our newly created directory. All right. Okay, and creates the other is I remove the directory testdir. I have created the directory testdir previously. I am still in the testdir and I wanna remove rmdir, which is found in the home directory testdir. This is very okay. I missed the letter. Okay, now testdir is not found in the home directory. That is removed. So this is very useful. Still, you are in your home in another directory or another uh, on another users. You can access. You can delete the directories from another user home. Okay. Now I can just back to the home directory, or I can remove the subdirectories which is created here. Rmdir -p home dir1, dir2, dir3. Okay, failed to remove. Okay, I should change to home, and I can now parameter dir1, dir2, dir3. Okay, already deleted or not? Yeah, already. Okay, okay. That is deleted. That's why it's not found. Okay, so these are the practices you should always working on these commands. When you practice every day, you can understand easily without any confusion. Thanks for watching today.